को हमारी हॉरर स्टोरीज़ और जो सस्पेंस से भरे हुए स्टोरीज़ होते हैं वो इतना ज़्यादा पसंद आता है ना। और पता नहीं किस्मत से किसी भी जो भी समझे, बाय लक, बाय चांस, बाय आवर ओन एफर्ट्स, किसी तरह से हमारे पास जो स्पीकर्स आते हैं, जो गेस्ट आते हैं, वो ज़्यादातर इसी जॉनर के ही आ रहे हैं। और आज के जो हमारे गेस्ट हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा हमारे स्पेशल है। जब हॉरर की बात होती है, थ्रिलर की बात होती है, तो एक एक जो नरेटर होता है या फिर जो स्टोरी टेलर होता है, उससे एक बेटर पर्सन कौन हो सकता है। जो आज हमारे पास जो गेस्ट हैं, शी इज़ वेरी स्पेशल। शी इज़ अ गुड नरेटर बोल सकते हैं, शी इज़ अ गुड स्टोरी टेलर। लेकिन स्टोरी टेलिंग हमेशा बोलकर नहीं होती है, कई बार लिख कर भी स्टोरी टेलिंग होती है। तो उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे अच्छे बुक्स लिखी हुई हैं, मैं आपको कुछ दिखाऊं। सो ये मैंने इनकी बुक देखी, आपने पता नहीं पढ़ी या नहीं पढ़ी हो, इज़ अ वेरी गुड बुक। तो इनके जो राइटर हैं वो आज हमारे सामने मौजूद हैं। जब इनकी बुक्स पढ़ने में इतना ज़्यादा हमें मज़ा आ गया, जब सामने उनकी ज़ुबानी हम कहानियाँ सुनेंगे, स्टोरी सुनेंगे, तो कितना ज़्यादा मज़ा आएगा। सो ज़्यादा देरी किए बिना सबसे पहले उनका वेलकम करते हैं, देन उनसे बात करते हैं। उनकी हिंदी थोड़ी इतनी ज़्यादा क्लियर नहीं है, हम थोड़ा सा मैनेज करेंगे कि उनसे हिंदी निकलवाएं, बाकी थोड़ी बहुत इंग्लिश होगी तो चला लेना। हाय मैम, कैसे हैं आप?
आई एम गुड। शो पे बुलाने के लिए धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद
धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद।
ऑडियंस को मेरा माफ़ी मांगती हूँ क्योंकि मेरी हिंदी बहुत बकवास है।
समझ जाएंगे, हिंदी समझ जाएंगे। आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू नो, पर्सनली आई एम क्यूरियस कि हम कुछ भी कहानी लिखते हैं, नो, कहीं ना कहीं हम रियल लाइफ से इंस्पायर्ड होते हैं। सो व्हाट आर यू इंस्पायर्ड ऑफ जब आप कहानियाँ लिखते हैं तो?
एक्चुअली ना मेरा क्या है कि मैं बहुत हॉरर मूवीज़ देखती हूँ और मुझको इतना पसंद आता है कि हॉरर मूवीज़ बिना देखे नींद नहीं आती मुझे रात को। और मेरे को रोज़ एक हॉरर मूवी देखनी ही होती है।
लोग तो हॉरर देख के सोते ही नहीं है।
नहीं, मैं उल्टी मेरी एक्चुअली मम्मी और बहन और जो डैडी है, ऑफ कोर्स मम्मी डैडी डॉक्टर्स हैं, पर उनको अगर एक डरावनी मूवी दिखा दो ना, बस तो फिर नींद नहीं आती उनको, मुझे नींद आती, तो मेरी इंस्पिरेशन वहाँ से आती है।
अच्छा, आपने एक चीज़ नोटिस करा है कि पीपल मोर देन, दैट्स व्हाट आई थिंक, मोर देन रीडिंग लव स्टोरीज, रोमांटिक स्टोरीज, थोड़ा थ्रिलर पे ज़्यादा जाने लगे। सो व्हाट्स दैट व्हिच इज पुलिंग पीपल टुवर्ड्स द थ्रिलर?
I think, see, I have nothing against love story. Love story is, I think, a beautiful thing. It's very difficult to write a love story. It's just that I think people have got a little bored, maybe. I don't know. So they can kind of find something new. So moving towards thriller or, adventurous type of stories or, even a historical like kind, which I mean is very interesting. So yeah, I think their focus is, I think, maybe shifting now.
That's a different perspective, makes sense. So आपने बहुत अच्छी कहानियाँ लिखी हैं और आई कैन सी द बुक्स राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी। आई एम जस्ट क्यूरियस, आई वांट टू नो, आपको क्या चीज़ ने इंस्पायर किया? लाइक बचपन से आपने सोचा था कि मेरे को स्टोरीज लिखनी है, समथिंग मस्ट हैव इंस्पायर्ड यू ना कि चलो यार लेट्स राइट हॉरर स्टोरीज।
Actually, एज ए किड मेरे को तो हॉरर थ्रिलर बहुत पसंद है, एडवेंचर्स पढ़ना, हॉरर मूवीज देखना। आई थिंक बच्चा ने आपने आहट देखी होगी ना,
आहट, हाँ हाँ हाँ।
सब वो इज टू बी रियली फेमस, तो उसको देख के बहुत मजा आता था।
हाँ।
देन इवेंचुअली मैं हॉरर बुक्स पढ़ने लगी, थ्रिलर्स, मर्डर मिस्ट्रीज, एडवेंचर टाइप बुक्स पढ़ती थी। तो अब मुझे एक्चुअली पता भी नहीं था कि मैं ऑथर बनूंगी। तो एक दिन फैमिली ने बोला तो ऑथर क्यों नहीं बन जाते, तो वैसे ही फुल टाइम राइटर है, बुक लिख ले।
फुल टाइम राइटर मींस कुछ और करते थे आप? राइटिंग?
आई एम अ फुल टाइम कंटेंट राइटर बाय प्रोफेशन। सो दे लाइक लिसन, इट विल कम नेचुरली टू यू। मैंने सोचा पता नहीं कौन से पागल खाने से आई, मैं ऑथर कहाँ, इट्स अ लॉट ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड मनी एंड लॉट ऑफ प्रमोशंस टू बी डन, मेरी बस की तो बात तो है नहीं। लाइक नहीं, कर ले। So that's how I became an author, and that's how I written my first book, which wasn't a thriller. It was a normal story. Then eventually करते करते अभी 7 बुक्स लेके अभी 8वां आई थिंक मे बी नेक्स्ट ईयर आ जाए।
We'll definitely read that. Also, I want to know, जब आप स्टोरीज लिखते हैं, आपका उस वक्त पे डू यू टेक इंस्पिरेशंस फ्रॉम, अभी तो आहट नहीं आ रहा है, वो तो उस वक्त से आपने शुरू किया था तो इंस्पिरेशन लिया था, अभी इस वक्त पे डू यू लुक एट रियल लाइफ इंसिडेंसेस या फिर पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस से चीज़ें आती हैं? सो सोर्स क्या है अभी की स्टोरीज का?
रियल लाइफ इंसिडेंट्स मतलब यार ऐसा तो मेरे साथ तो ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं है, इतना तो देखा नहीं। न्यूज़पेपर में पढ़ते रहते हैं कि इसका मर्डर हो, इसका बॉडी चॉप ऑफ हुआ, फ्रीजर में रख दिया, तो थोड़ी इंस्पिरेशन आती है कि यार शायद हम बुक में लिख सकते हैं।
आपको मजा आता है ऐसा सुन के?
मतलब आई फील सैड बट देन यू नो टू मेक इट अ स्टोरी, यू फील कि यार एटलीस्ट वो स्टोरी नरेट हो जाएगी, लोगों को रियलाइजेशन हो सकता है कि यार यू नो इट कैन हैपन,
राइट।
इट इज़ इंटरेस्टिंग टू रीड, इट वोंट हैपन टू देम बट स्टिल। तो वो ऐसी इंस्पिरेशन आती है, जैसे आई थिंक वो एक नुपुर तलवार की एक सीरीज आई थी बीच में बहुत पहले,
अच्छा, मैं नहीं देखता हूँ ऐसे। हाँ।
उनकी डॉटर की मर्डर हुई थी, तो दैट एक्चुअली इट वाज,
दिल्ली का केस है क्या, तलवार?
हाँ राजेश तलवार है, नुपुर तलवार।
ओके ओके, ये शायद हमने क्राइम पे काम किया था इस पे हमने।
they stay pretty close, as in they used to stay pretty close to where I stay. तो उस टाइम तो हमने सुना था, and I was like really it's an interesting you know incident, not not a very happy one, but yeah that was one of my inspirations. And then horror movies तो देखती हूँ, which I love. And then
जब आप स्टोरीज लिखने बैठते हैं ना, सो इट्स नॉट लाइक कि यार कोई भी आके लिख देगा। एज अ राइटर यू कीप समथिंग, सम थिंग्स यू टेक केयर ऑफ, कि प्लॉट ट्विस्ट होना चाहिए, या फिर थोड़ा यू नो मजा आ जाना चाहिए, दिमाग घूम जाना चाहिए। सो हाउ डू यू प्ले दैट? क्या ट्विस्ट आप जनरली क्या रखने की
I
कोशिश
start imagining things in my head, कि अगर लिखते लिखते मैं सोचती यार इसको चलो ह्यूमन बीइंग तो नाम मर्डर कर ले, इसको इसमें एक घोष के साथ होंगे, इसका मुंड हिल जाएगा। फिर मैं सोचती नहीं होता था, ड्रास्टिक हो जाएगा, सिंपल सा मर्डर कर देंगे, वैसा टाइप। तो ऐसे इंस्पिरेशन आती है क्योंकि इमेजिनेशन बहुत होती है। फिर चलते चलते बाजार में अब लोगों को देखते रहते हो, स्टडी करते रहते हो, तो आइडियाज आ जाते हैं कि यार इनके एक फैंग्स दिखते हैं, शायद वैम्पर बना दूँ, यार इनके जैसे घोंसला टाइप हेयर नहीं होता, यार ये तो अच्छा होगा फ्रैंकेनस्टाइन जैसा घोंसला बना देंगे नया टाइप। तो वैसे इंस्पिरेशन आ जाते हैं।
हम लोग ने इस पॉडकास्ट में काफ़ी गोस्ट वगैरह के बारे में बात करते हैं, आई एम श्योर आपने अपने बुक्स में भी आप गोस्ट वगैरह मेंशन करते हैं। जस्ट वांट टू नो, गोस्ट को लेकर आपका क्या सोचना? डू दे रियली एग्जिस्ट, स्पिरिट्स, गोस्ट?
I haven't really come across a ghost, so I really won't know. I know people believe in it. I'm not saying they're not real. I haven't seen one, so I can't really say. As a person, so I probably say they don't exist. For people, there are people who believe that there are ghosts that exist. And there's paranormal activities and, you know, a body gets possessed or some such thing. I've never seen what happens.
How do you introduce a ghost in your books? Like, what's the environment, what's the scene that you try to make while writing, you know, introducing ghost into the story?
Like, you know, somebody's walking in a haunted house, so you have that eerie feeling. Or, you know, like...
Writing के वक्त पे feel देना ज़रूरी है उनको ना, वो feel करवाना कि
I have goosebumps. Like when I'm writing, and even though I like writing murder mysteries and all these things, I have goosebumps while writing it. मेरे को मेरे बाल खड़े हो जाते हैं कि यार this is actually real kind of thing. But it's interesting to, you know. Then I feel that, you know, like if somebody's just passed away, their spirits are still lingering around. But at night when somebody's sleeping, that ghost will come and make noises, start laughing, crying, spook the person, slam doors shut, open windows, hold a knife in the hand and try doing all sorts of things to the body. So that kind of gives me that sort of inspiration.
आपको कोई आइडिया होता है? जस्ट वांट टू नो, क्योंकि आप गोस्ट स्टोरीज वगैरह लिखते हो, गोस्ट ये सब क्यों करते हैं? मतलब आके खिड़की में हिलाएंगे, दरवाज़ा बजाएंगे, why they are dancing like that? Why are they not letting us know their intentions?
I feel they have unfinished business, maybe.
So इससे क्या होता है? मतलब दरवाज़ा की उससे क्या?
It's just for fun. It's like the intention of scaring somebody. So karo. I mean, maybe something's happened in their childhood that has horrified them, so they want to make other people miserable. But
आपके किसी फ्रेंड ने या फिर किसी यू नो कॉलीग, कोई राइटर, किसी ने ऐसा कुछ एक्सपीरियंस आपको सुनाया है, अजीब सुपरनैचुरल टाइप्स?
नहीं, not really, no. I mean, I have my driver, not the present one, and my previous driver said that my daughter's possessed.
Huh?
She used to go school very late. I think that time was COVID. Now you have to understand, in COVID, people are sitting in closed doors within four walls. Your mind will definitely go crazy.
Correct.
That's understandable. There's a lot of mental health issues and like depression and whatever else. So he came and told my mother one day, I think my daughter's possessed. And my mom's like, what do you mean possessed? He says, ma'am, वो उनको आवाज सुनाई देती कि go murder this one, go fall off the roof, go kill yourself, don't eat this and don't eat that and something.
तो उनकी बेटी ऐसा कर रही थी?
Apparently, according to him. So my mom said, why don't you bring her downstairs, let her do her school homework, because that time they were online classes anyways. So then she was sitting there in the drawing room and her eyes would keep darting here and there, like looking around for her parents, and she was so scared. So my mom's like, listen, I don't think she's possessed. She has some mental issues. We'll show to her doctor. Let her give her the medication. Maybe it'll help. It'll probably calm her down. And listen, kids these days obviously are sitting within 4 walls. They haven't gone out anyway. So initially we tried. He said, ma'am, not helping. I think I'll go show to one sadhu or something, a panditji who does all these things. So mom's like, you really believe in all these things? Because I don't think these things exist. He said, ma'am, आप तो believe नहीं करेगे तो क्या आप कर समझोगे?
What is your reaction to that?
To each their own. Because listen, they come from a very old thing and they've been taught all these things all their lives. You can't change their behavior. If they believe in ancient things, then ठीक है. I mean, I know for a fact that villages में somebody gets possessed, no? They take the broom and hit it on the head.
I've seen.
वो सुना है. So I still necessarily do what is best for our daughter. See, we don't believe in all these things, so if we think that this is weird. If you think it will do your daughter good, then go ahead. So I think he did a lot. Finally, I asked him, did it help? He said she's much better. I thought that ghost has gone out of the body or not, I don't know, but she's better.
क्या किया था उन्होंने? वही बाबा वगैरह?
बाबा के जाके the Baba did foo in her face. Some ancient thing, I have no idea. It's never happened to me before. So I really don't know, believe in all these things. I know that, you have depression, you get into a fight, you're angry, you have all kinds of emotions happening. So you meet people, talk to them, go out, so you feel better. And you're back to normal. That is normal for us. So, I mean, listen to each their own. You can't really change anyone's beliefs. So, yeah, I mean, it's interesting to know all these things.
कुछ ना मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा है रियली. आई जस्ट वांट टू नो इट फ्रॉम योर साइड, क्योंकि आप एक ऑथर हो. जब आप किसी पर्सन से मिलते हो, जो भी आपके एक्सपीरियंसेस आसपास होते हैं, डू यू हैव अ डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव टू दैट? क्योंकि आपको लिखना होता है. आर यू ट्राइंग टू कैप्चर थिंग्स इन दैट मैनर कि इसको कहीं मैं डाल सकता हूँ? हाउ डू यू लुक थिंग्स दैट मैनर में?
I find it interesting because, see, I don't want to name the person in the book. So I feel, listen, let's just try and bring a little change so that the person's feeling doesn't get hurt. So I change the name, try and bring a little difference in the book. And I tell the person, listen, can I mention in the book? But I won't write your name in it. I'll change it a little bit. Well, can I write this incident in the book? It'll make a great story. So if the person is not comfortable, then I'll avoid. Because I feel, listen, why hurt the person's feelings? And I don't want to get into trouble.
Correct. ऐसा कोई एक्सपीरियंस हुआ है?
So far, no, but I did write a book called Disturbed Death about Donald Trump and...
अभी जो रिसेंट हुआ था? शॉर्ट?
बहुत पहले. Before all this nonsense.
इसमें थोड़ा ओवरऑल क्या आपने डालने की कोशिश करी है?
I tried more.
डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प को?
Donald Trump, then I had Barack Obama as well. So that, I don't think he even saw the book and got to know, but it was interesting. I gave it a little political twist to it, but then, of course, people told me, listen, don't get into trouble, sir.
So when you mention names of these, big personalities, तो issue नहीं होता है ऐसा कोई?
As long as I don't know, it's fine.
पता लग गया. Is it a criminal offense?
They get offended if you don't take permission. वो होता है ना. It's like, for example, you're writing a book on Shah Rukh Khan, Kapil Sharma, or Amitabh Bachchan, you have to take permission in that sense, so that they don't get offended. That way. Because the minute they find out, if you're doing a lot of marketing promotions, if they find out, it's like, how dare you? And what if you've written in the book, we want to know? Because it shouldn't ruin their image. So to keep the safe side, it's best to take permission.
ये इसका एक और साइड भी तो होता है that you are using their name और आप पैसा कमा रहे हो एट द एंड ऑफ द डे भाई तुमने मेरा नाम इस्तेमाल करा है.
I see, in a way, I don't think they mind. But then it's always best to take permission and be on the safe side. Yeah,
Correct.
don't murder me or whatever.
So been writing all these dark stories, सारा murder mystery. क्या आपको दुनिया को देखने का नजरिया चेंज हो जाता है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल समथिंग इज हैपनिंग एंड यू आर लाइक ये थोड़ा उस डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है, समथिंग रॉन्ग इज गोइंग टू हैपन, पहले से ही आपका गैसिंग वर्क चल रहा है.
Listen, my mind works in strange ways.
That's what I want to know.
My mind is so strange that if I look at a situation, I'm like, I can literally make this into a murder mystery. Even though it's not a happy side, even if it's just a simple argument between a husband and wife, no? I keep thinking, yeah, either the husband or the wife will kill each other.
Interesting.
So then I make it happen that way. So people tell me, listen.
Can we make it really interesting, this podcast? Let's give it a shot. Let's try.
Okay.
Can you make this situation into a mystery? Like we three guys are sitting here.
So
let's try.
We both of us are having a normal conversation. And this guy is sitting there quietly. He is probably plotting something in his head. The door is closed. He has locked it. All he has to do is take a knife out of his pocket or take the, wires or something and tie it around and make him kill us. All those grapevines behind you. Those leaves.
How do you end this story then? What was the intention? And how do you hide first कि किसने मारा पता नहीं लगा? And how do you reveal it then?
He has his mask hidden, no? So both of us don't know who's killed it. Unless, of course, he leaves by mistake these fingerprints behind, so you know कि this guy. If he's very careful, then you don't know.
So need a forensic का background as well.
Yeah. Unless the poor dog sitting outside, you blame the dog for it, but there's no use. Nobody will know who killed it.
Have you ever written a perfect crime? Perfect crime, you must already be knowing कि पता नहीं चलता है कि किसने मारा है. Have you ever written?
I did leave a cliffhanger on Silent Murder.
Silent Murder, हाँ मैंने देखा. I have a bookmark of that.
So people kept causing me like, who killed who? I said, I'm not telling you.
तो आपने reveal भी नहीं करा उसके अंदर?
They were like, listen, you can't do this to assassin. No, I'm not telling you. Keep guessing. You can make up your own murder. I don't mind.
तो इस तरह की बुक्स का तो आप एक और बुक निकाल सकते हो. That's a good strategy as well. Second book में if you want to reveal, people would be waiting for it.
I can. If I want to.
You should do.
I did think about it, but it hasn't happened yet, but I might just.
How do you usually end a murder mystery? आपका स्टाइल क्या रहता है?
I either reveal the murderer or I just don't. I just say, no, the cops have captured the wrong person, the real murderer is running away somewhere.
That's being very cruel of you. बेचारे पढ़ रहे हैं end तक.
नहीं.
And you didn't reveal.
नहीं. I obviously mean that way.
अच्छा, you've also, as far as I know, थोड़ा बहुत मैंने रिसर्च करा है. Please do let me know अगर मैं गलत बोल रहा हूँ. थोड़ा बहुत लव स्टोरी भी शायद आपने लिखा है.
I did one love story. It turned out to be a pocket book, a very sweet book. But somehow, I don't know, a love story doesn't do it for me. It becomes very dry in the end.
What was the inspiration behind writing that love story?
No, because listen, I've been single all my life. It's just that I've
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
Seriously, I've never been happy.
Boyfriend नहीं?
No. I'm a little blessed that way.
You're blessed. Okay.
I mean, I did get like 2 proposals when I was in college. Like,
Love never happened to you?
No. They just asked me to marry them. I had nothing doing. I'm still studying. Of course, they've gone on to get married and had children of their own. Somebody else, but love has never happened.
अब आपको रीजन पता लग गया कि why love story is not happening?
Yeah. No, see, it's love. It's probably a beautiful thing. I'm not saying it's a bad thing. But for me, I find it very dry. I feel like...
So you read basically masala of killing somebody. Cool kharafa दिखना चाहिए.
See, I'm more of a fan like historical stuff. Like if I write something about a Greek god or an Indian god or that sort, that's very interesting because I know people will read that. Or a murder mystery. Love story, I genuinely find it very dry. And no offense to all the romantic authors, but I genuinely find it very dry. Because it's enough and more love stories made. Yeah, if you want to make a love story, go to Karan Johar, ना वो बेचारे बना भी देगा.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आप लव स्टोरी से शुरू करोगे और लिखते लिखते एंड में किसी को मार दोगे.
No problem. I'll send it to Vivek Agnihotri से अगर ये बना देना मूवी ना तो लाम गोपाल वर्मा को बोल देंगे बना.
अरे ऐसा होता है पता है. Nowadays what I've seen is आपने शायद ज़्यादा देखा होगा. these movie creators have started reaching out to the authors.
That's by luck.
हाँ.
Like Chetan Bhagat has gotten very lucky that way. I mean, he's maybe a fantastic author. I don't like him personally as such. But yeah, he's been very blessed from the very beginning. Like Amish Tripathi also. I mean, I don't think any movie is made out of his books, but he also, authors know him and he's been very blessed that way.
Okay, so I have a few set of questions. It's going to be very interesting if I ask you about love, especially when you are not a big fan of that thing. So I want to know your perspective. So let me get my questions first.
This is like rapid fire.
That's not going to be rapid fire. जो हमने अजिताभ जी को पूछा था, I want to know your views on that. So I asked this question to अजिताभ जी. हाँ, love जो होता है, is it a distraction from winning in life, or it helps you, supports you? I want a clarification or a description properly. It's not like one word, one sentence बोल के खत्म कर दिया.
Let's see. If you're in college and concentrating on studies, it's a distraction. Later on, if you're working and already focused at work, it'll probably help you in life.
So college में if you're already focused on college,
I still call it a distraction. Because then later on, you'll probably fall in love and get married, and then that's the end.
do you think there's a right age to fall in love or to?
Not really. You can fall in love at any age. But to get married, I think women should get married at the age of between 30 and 35. And then any age, 35, 40, it's fine.
So is there something that's in head behind saying these statements? Ki 35, 40, kyun?
I just feel, listen, you have time to accomplish what you have to. And you should focus on it. I'm not saying that you shouldn't get married at an early age, but I just feel, listen, give yourself time. There's no hurry. I mean, I know society has its own stigma saying you should, if you're 18 years old, get married, or if you're 24 years old. Listen, I'm 37, I'm still not married. I'll be 38 next year. See, I'm still single, enjoying life.
ये podcast लोग देखेंगे, they're definitely going to reach you out.
No problem.
Propose करेंगे आपको.
No. But they can definitely reach out to me and ask me questions if they have to.
अच्छा, आपको ऐसा नहीं लगता है? See, आपने बोला कि you should definitely first achieve something and then think about getting married. तो achieving something का जो time frame है, ये किसने set किया है कि 35, 34 तक आप achieve कर लेते हो?
That is my own bar. I mean, listen, there's no age limit to achieving whatever you have to. You can achieve anything at the age of 70 also.
I would definitely agree with that thing. क्योंकि कुछ लोग, ठीक है, early आपने achieve कर लिया, but I think आपको शादी करने से पहले, before falling in love, you should have something in the pocket.
True, because see, the thing is, you know, you see every second, third person getting divorced. Now you have to stand at your own 2 feet. So if you're already successful and independent, and God forbid something goes wrong, at least you have your own support, no? You can support yourself. You're independent. So that is why I say you should be financially strong, independent, and then get married.
एक और इसमें फैक्टर, बायोलॉजिकल फैक्टर आता है, दैट मेल एंड फीमेल, मैं दोनों का जनरल बोल रहा हूँ, वो अपने पीक फर्टिलिटी में होते हैं इन देयर 20s.
Listen, these days everything is possible. IVF कर लो, adoption कर लो. So there's all this biological factor, I think, is very silly. Listen, people these days prefer adopting, I think.
Right. Okay. Next question is going to be, प्यार क्या नहीं है? What love is not?
Dangerous?
यार dangerous हो सकता है, you're a thriller writer, come on.
It can.
है ना?
It is scary.
It is, definitely.
Very scary.
Definitely. Okay. What do you think about school love? Is it really, आपने कहा कि प्यार किसी भी एज में हो सकता है, so एक जनरल स्टेटमेंट मैं आपसे चाहता हूँ. जो स्कूल का प्यार होता है, is it really प्यार or is it a mere attraction?
It's cute love. I won't say it's only attraction, it's cute.
Cute in what sense?
In the sense you're young and you're still studying and you find somebody attractive, you go propose to them, a little kid. I think it's very cute. Whether it stays long term or not is a different thing, but I think at that stage it's very cute.
ऐसा क्यों होता है कि अक्सर जो स्कूल का प्यार होता है वो मिलता नहीं है? Most of the times it happens.
I feel at that age, no, you're young. You don't have that kind of patience to work it out. Once you're at a certain age, you become a mature adult, then maybe it works better.
क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इंसान ना at every stage, the mindset, the personality, it changes. तो मे बी स्कूल टाइम में जो पर्सनालिटी होता है, प्यार करते करते you're not that person anymore.
See, when you're young in school or immature, you're not exactly, you don't understand things around you. You're still young, you're enjoying studying, you're enjoying
I would say that's pure love क्योंकि कोई logic नहीं हो सकती. You're just liking that person. You just love that person.
Unless, of course, you stay in touch even after school and eventually you get married, it's a different way.
Correct.
But I feel that you're cute. That's young, cute love. Yeah? That's not exactly real love.
There's this Bollywood thing जहाँ पे बोला जाता है कि प्यार एक बार होता है. So the question for you is क्या प्यार बार बार हो सकता है? I've seen people loving once or twice or thrice. क्या वो सच में प्यार है? The main question is क्या प्यार बार बार हो सकता है?
हो सकता है. If people can get divorced like a million times and प्यार बार बार हो सकता है.
So ऐसा ये गलत है कि प्यार एक बार होता है.
That was just a statement made in a weird thing.
प्यार में क्या लुक्स मैटर करता है? मूवी के अकॉर्डिंग, बुक के अकॉर्डिंग, द अंदर का इंसान शुड मैटर. बट प्रैक्टिकली लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दैट. क्या प्यार में लुक्स मैटर करता है?
Practically, I look at the person who you are as a person, because first you have to accept the person as it is. Then maybe you can go on the looks. Looks actually don't really matter to me, but yes, if I do get a proposal, I look at the education background first. Where you're working, are you financially stable? Then I'll come with the looks and say, okay, fine. ठीक लगता है. Like,
अगर फाइनेंशियली सब कुछ अच्छा है, करोड़पति है ना, पैसे वैसा है,
नहीं,
then that person doesn't look good.
no, I don't want a crorepati. There's too much tension.
अच्छा, करोड़पति नहीं मानते. Whatever you prefer, उतना पैसा है.
I'll be happy.
Then look नहीं अच्छा.
It doesn't matter. I'll be happy as long as I get to live a happy, stable life. I'm happy. Listen, I find the ugliest person also cute. So it's okay.
सुन रहे हो सब लोग? पैसा कमाओ, लड़की वाली छोड़ो, पैसा कमाना शुरू करो. If you have money, you have stability, girl will come to you.
हाँ.
है ना?
हाँ.
Okay. So there's a thing आजकल people are not loyal anymore. So what do you think the reason behind that? पहले के ज़माने में if you see our parents ना, कितनी लंबी लंबी शादी चलती थी ना. आजकल की शादी मैक्स 5 साल, मैक्स 10 साल, उससे ऊपर नहीं टिकते.
Nobody has patience these days.
Patience for what?
Patience to stay, work on the relationship. Nobody does. Honestly speaking, even if you stay in a marriage for 10 years and then get divorced, what's the point? You're not working on a relationship, right? Unless you really worked on it and given it all and then getting divorced, I'll say, okay, fine, you know what? I agree. But in those days, yeah, listen, even in those days, people had affairs. It's just that women weren't working and weren't financially stable, so they stuck to their
that's
respective
what's happening.
husband, wives, whatever.
उनके पास options नहीं थे.
Options नहीं थे. आजकल options है. Like us. God forbid we got divorced. At least you're earning, right? So you have an option. You have backup.
So आपके according ये सही है, गलत है? If you have financial stability now as a woman, अगर आपके पास वो freedom है, आपके पास वो choice options है, even मैं men के लिए भी बोल रहा हूँ. So if you have options nowadays, is it good for the relation?
It's good. See, it depends on how you look at it. It's definitely good if you're the kind of person who feels, okay, I have achieved everything, I should get married at some point, then yes.
So हम लोगों को ना कैसे पता लगता है कि how do we show love, how do we सामने वाले को हम कैसे जताते हैं that I love you? क्योंकि ये mainly मुझे लगता है कि बॉलीवुड ने दिया है that you get on your knees and put a flower in front. So it's very Bollywoodish, if that's a word. तो this question is, आपको क्या लगता है कि प्यार को डिफाइन करने में, प्यार को लेके जो नज़रिया है लोगों को, उसमें बॉलीवुड का कितना वो रहा है? क्योंकि पहले इट यूज्ड टू बी मोर ऑफ पहाड़, नदियाँ, फूल, सॉन्ग्स. अभी प्यार हैज़ बिकम मोर ऑफ पार्टीज, हुकअप्स, ड्रिंक्स. दैट्स व्हाट बॉलीवुड हैज़ चेंज्ड सिंस इयर्स. तो आपको क्या लगता है कि बॉलीवुड में इतना इन्फ्लुएंस रहता है प्यार को शो करने में, आज के कल्चर को शो करने में?
See, I think, I mean, I can't speak for everybody, but the youngsters is definitely trying what the Bollywood Hollywood stars do. That is definitely that. As far as getting on down on your knee and proposing, I think that only happens when you're having engagement or something. It's also very rare. I haven't seen anybody get down on the knee and say, I put a ring in your finger. That I think only happens in movies maybe. But yeah, आजकल I think लोगों को ना रोज चट्टी पसंद है. वो जो fighting scene standing, नहीं? हो standing to the
फूलर कांटे गाड़ी के ऊपर दो, बाइक के ऊपर दो पैर रखकर अजय देवगन,
अजय देवगन टाइप या गाड़ी को उड़ाना टाइप्स,
तो वैसे
वैसे तो उनको अच्छा लगता है करना।
आपका आइडियल प्रपोजल क्या रहेगा? इफ सम सी, आपका तो मुझे पता है, यू हैव बीन सिंगल एंड यू वांट टू बी सिंगल, आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स देयर इन योर हेड, बट इन केस if you want your man, your boyfriend, whatever the person is, to propose you, what would you like him to do?
Just say, can you marry me? Finished. Like we spent enough time together now. Just one marry me types. Simple. I don't want the getting another one, giving me a pretty rose. I think that's really silly. I don't want that. I'm not a romantic soul. Just directly ask me.
बट है यही चाहिए। हार्ट ब्रेक्स के बारे में मुझे डिस्कस करना है। आपका तो कभी हुआ नहीं होगा, आई नो, बट स्टिल एक्सपीरियंस तो होगा, सुनना, लिखना, पढ़ना कहीं ना कहीं से। So it's an open-end question. Anything you want to say about it? How to recover? How to?
I think it's normal, because these days, honestly, like I said, nobody has the patience to work on the relationship. And listen, at some point you will have a heartbreak, whether it's in a relationship or whether it's professional. There's no defining break. So it's normal. It's part of life. So just, I think, keep yourself busy more.
Also, मुझे क्या लगता है ना, the thing that you said, nobody has patience nowadays to work on the relationships. The thing is, people have options now, and वो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि पेरेंट्स के साथ के रिलेशन एंड अपने लाइफ पार्टनर या फिर रोमांटिक पार्टनर के साथ के रिलेशन को एक पर्सपेक्टिव में रखना चाहिए हमें। हमारी लड़ाई पेरेंट्स से होती है, डू वी गेट अवे फ्रॉम दैट कि लड़ाई हो गई है ना, अब आई डोंट थिंक इट्स वर्किंग एनी मोर, यू शुड सेपरेट। पेरेंट्स से करते हैं ऐसा? नहीं करते। व्हाई आर यू बिहेविंग लाइक दैट विद योर पार्टनर? अब उसको भी तो सही कर सकते हो ना।
See, your parents have brought you. Now you spend your entire life with their parents. So you know your parents in and out. They saw you in and out. So you're living in the same house. Can't run away. Now, your relationship with your parents is different. It's a bond that has been created ever since you were born. Your life partner just come. So it's different. And it takes time to make the relationship work. And these days people feel, listen, if it's not working, why invest that?
Correct.
So it's not fear. I mean, honestly, I don't blame them. If you feel not going in and you don't have the time and patience, then take it. People these days are more career-minded, forward, and invested in making more money. So, and done, their relationship is good.
आजकल मुझे ऐसा लगता है, आजकल क्या हो गया है ना, एक रिलेशन में जो लड़ाइयाँ होती हैं, आपस में आर्ग्यूमेंट्स हो जाती है, आप डिसएग्रीमेंट्स होती हैं, आई थिंक दैट्स वेरी नॉर्मल। आजकल क्या होता है ना, अगर दो पार्टनर्स के बीच में लड़ाई हो रही होती है ना, सम पीपल दे स्टार्टेड टेकिंग इट लाइक ओके, इट्स समथिंग that should not happen, and I think it's not working, let's end up.
See, these days, like I said it's time and again, nobody has the patience to work on the relationship. It's very difficult. You tell them what a marriage concept to work on their marriage. They'll say, listen, do not exactly insane. That we should work on it. So it's not the same anymore. If you don't have the patience and are not willing to work on the relationship, then why get into it?
Correct.
Best to stay single and enjoy life.
मुझे भी लगता है कि जब आप किसी के साथ में हो ना, there's something that's a feature, I would say, that should be there in a person. एडजस्ट करना होना चाहिए, क्योंकि तेरे 2 different personalities ना, आपको कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा वो करना।
Or if you so sick of the person, just murder them and up.
लो, एक राइटर ने बोलना शुरू कर दिया, अपना नजरिया उसमें डाल दिया। Okay.
It happens, so it's not like I just thought it up and made it up.
मैं बता रहा हूँ, आपको कोई देख रहा होगा ना, आपको प्रपोज करने का सोच रहा होगा, अब वो नहीं सोचेगा भाई ये लड़की पागल है, ये मना पड़ कर देगी किसी दिन मेरा स्टोरी लिखते लिखते। Now I want to come to a very important topic. लास्ट टाइम जब हम पॉडकास्ट शूट कर रहे थे, देयर वाज अनदर गेस्ट और आप पीछे ही बैठे हुए थे, सो यू वर वेरी एक्साइटेड, आई सॉ योर फेस ऑन दिस क्वेश्चन। लड़कों की दोस्ती और लड़कों की दोस्ती में क्या डिफरेंस है?
I feel, I don't know. Listen, I feel, women are a lot more emotional.
लड़के इमोशनल नहीं है?
लड़के हैं तो वो दिखाते नहीं।
Okay.
They are more control over their emotion. Women tend to just burst at tears in 2 seconds. They don't understand me. Men are more control. So the thing of, see, for a man to make friends, it's okay. Like they use other relationship, it's fine. If you look at a woman being friends with another woman, do they hug each other or something? No. I find it a little strange because their behavior comes out in a very feminine, gay sort of way. And I think, oh my god, ye kya ho gaya? Or sometimes I feel there's not just women, if two men are holding hands together. And I think this is something wrong. Even though it's just that special friendship kind of bond, I think it's very strange. I mean, yeah, listen, everybody keeps friends these days. It's normal. But I just get along with men, but they get along with me.
Alright, I got your perspective. Now, मैं थोड़ा सा आपके author side पे जाना चाहता हूँ. We are reaching towards the end of this discussion. थोड़ा सा author side cover करना है मुझे. Why do you think it's important to read books?
It's a different world altogether. It's not like watching a movie. Plus, I feel, your communication skills improve, your vocabulary improves, and of course, the imagination gets better. You start imagining things in your head. It's a different world. It's a different feeling. I feel everybody should read a book, whichever it is, apart from their own college books or medical books. You should read. It's great fun.
ये पॉइंट है मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. Nowadays, what is happening is people are spoon fed. Example, मैं ये बताना ये चाह रहा हूँ क्योंकि if you're looking for a source of entertainment, there's always visual way of present there. आप टीवी देखते हो, यूट्यूब देखते हो, स्क्रीन देखते हो. आपने अपने इमेजिनेशन को तो काम दिया ही नहीं है. Earlier it used to be parents हमें स्टोरी सुनाते थे, हम सुनते थे और सोचते थे.
Oh no, see, there's nothing wrong with watching videos. It's fine.
I'm an instant. So we are on a podcast setup. People are going to watch it. But I personally, being a podcaster, being a host, मैं दूसरों की videos नहीं देखता.
No, I love watching videos. I love watching movies. Trust me, because I feel when the Harry Potter book series came out, I never read the books. I saw the movie instead. But I just feel, listen, when it comes to reading a book, you're exercising your brain.
That's what I'm saying.
Your mind is at work. You're improving your vocabulary. Your speech gets better. So it's a different feeling. And then get into an imagination world, you start thinking of, like, you're putting yourself in that situation. So it's then interesting. There's no harm in watching videos and things, but I just feel, focus more on reading books and less on your gadgets. It'd be better. True. Because not exactly exercising your brain while texting someone or watching a video.
So there are majorly two genre of books. Majorly, अगर मैं मोटा बात करूँ, fictional and non-fictional. So if anybody wants to start reading book, what would you recommend starting with?
Fiction.
Fiction. Any reason behind that?
I just think that's a little more interesting because who would want to read an autobiography? If it's a famous person, you already know about them because reading online and things. Unless you don't know about the person, it's a different thing. But then I still feel, some certain things are private and personal. So keep it private and personal. I prefer fiction, like read it. That's it.
We'll keep quick rapid fire question आपको yes or no या फिर one word या फिर one sentence. मुझे explanation नहीं चाहिए. Okay? So I have few questions. Love or career?
Career.
I knew it. One word to describe love.
Beautiful.
Okay, do you have an experience there? A dream you still chase.
Becoming more successful each day.
Okay, now I want to discussion here. What's the definition of success for that?
I think becoming better and better at what you're doing.
Okay. Your favorite life quote?
Favorite life quote? Just work hard and do what you like.
Okay. A book that changed your life.
Thing that changed my life.
A book that changed your life.
A book that changed my life. Eat, Pray, Love.
I think that's what you started with. No? Okay. Secret to happiness.
Just enjoy life. Don't worry about anything.
Advice to your younger self. Learn Hindi? No?
I think be true to yourself.
Okay. So if not being true to yourself?
Don't fake it.
True. Okay. Define success in one word.
Hard work.
The same thing now in 3 words.
Hard work, struggles, failure.
Okay. One book everyone should read.
Oh, there's a book called The Three Sisters. I forget the author's name. But read it.
That one. It's about what?
It's about the Nazis and the Jews.
Okay.
Most beautifully written book, but they should read it.
All right. Love at first sight, myth or reality?
Nonsense.
Most romantic gesture according to you?
Feeling food good.
Okay. मैं आपके डाइटिशियन का बताऊंगा, ये वीडियो के लिए भेजूंगा.
She also has the biggest food of Bloody Land. She's a shakal lekhalde.
Life's biggest lesson so far.
Life biggest lessons. Nothing happens without hard work.
Very true. Describe a perfect day.
Getting up in the morning, going for 2 hours, run, coming back, getting ready for work, coming back, having a meet with your family, reading a book and reading.
Most overrated thing about love.
Overrated thing? I have no idea, yeah. I don't know. Overrated thing मतलब yeah, getting too emotionally involved.
वो मुझे तक ओवर कर देते हैं. मेरे बाबू ने खाना खाया. You know what is that? There is a meme culture where people, you know, when they fall in love, they are talking to their partners. They act to be a little kiddish.
Not that.
And instead of saying मेरे बाबू ने खाना खाया, बाबू means in love, people say each other बाबू. So they मेरे बाबू ने खाना खाया.
No, that I think is really scary.
That's overrated, I guess. I guess that kind of care is overrated.
Maybe just cutting yourself because you broke up with a person.
I would agree.
Between us or
I would agree. Okay. First love or last love?
forever love.
Okay. Out of the syllabus. One habit that drives success.
I think your passion and of course hard work in the ends will definitely drive success. If you're not happy with something, then you'll never be successful.
Last question. I want to think about it and so samajh kar rakho hoga. 3 books that you recommend youngsters.
3 books are in youngsters. My God, yeah. Very difficult. Read any book of Mr. Pathi's. Read my book, The Tales of Shadows and Secrets.
That should be a thou.
Read Kevin Mitchell's books. He's again a brilliant author.
आपने रियलाइज करा कि हमने इसको हिंदी पॉडकास्ट रखा था?
Revised किया था, but like I said, my Hindi is terrible.
कई बार.
Listen, my Hindi is not as good as half the Prime Minister and MLAs at the rest.
कोई बात नहीं. आप जिस भी लैंग्वेज में कंफर्टेबल हो उस पर आप ज़्यादा बेटर कम्युनिकेट और मैसेज कन्वे कर पाते हो. हिंदी में बोला तो शायद इतना अच्छे से आपने कन्वे नहीं कर पाया होता. I would like to thank you so much for coming here on the show. काफ़ी कुछ हमने इंटरेस्टिंग डिस्कस करा और आपने मुझे इतने प्यारे प्यारे बुक्स दिए. आई डेफिनेटली आई एम गोइंग टू रीड दोस बुक्स एंड आपको अपना फीडबैक ज़रूर दूंगा. एंड अपने ऑडियंस के लिए इफ़ यू वांट टू सी समथिंग रिलेटेड टू बुक्स और समथिंग यू वांट टू लाइक अबाउट लाइफ, प्लीज़ हमें बहुत अच्छा लगेगा.
I just feel, listen, just continue reading. Read a lot because definitely our vocabulary improves, our communication improves. And it's not the same as watching a movie on your cell phone, which is really sad.
अब बिल्ली भी खराब होते हैं, फिर ऐसे चश्मे लग जाते हैं.
नहीं, आँखें खराब हो जाते हैं. If you're reading in poor light, definitely आँखें खराब हो जाते हैं. It's just, I just feel, listen, reading a book.
It's just talking about screens.
Screen, I don't, but I'm just saying कि यार whether you watch TV or you reading a book, वैसे तो आँखें खराब हो जाती हैं. Proper light में तो पढ़ना ही है.
हाँ.
4 आँखें हो, 2 आँखें हो, क्या सर? Doesn't make a difference. Reading is reading.
Thank you so much. You're such a cute person. I enjoyed talking to you. और ऑडियंस एक्सपेक्ट करूँगा कि उन्होंने भी बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद किया हो इस पॉडकास्ट को और वो प्यार दिखाएं थ्रू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. एंड बस इसी तरह प्यार बनाए रखें और सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें, लाइक करें. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग एंड दैट्स ऑल.